Today we are going to learn how to construct LR0 parsing table. As we have learned in the last lecture, what things are required. First we need to write augmented grammar, then we need to write closure. After that we need to convert we need to construct DFA with the help of Goto function. So we did all these things. Now we are going to convert this DFA into LR0 parsing table. So there are how many states we have? Start from I0 and it will go to up to I6. So we will write like this: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This many number of states we have from 0 to I6. So after that what we will write? We will write action. What we will write? Action. In action what we will have? The number of terminals. How many terminals we have in our grammar? A and B. A and B. Same grammar I am using because we are doing the same thing. So A, B and dollar for completion purpose. Dollar for completion purpose. So one thing is action and the second thing is Goto. Second thing is Goto. Goto, in which how many variables we have? S and A. Two variables we have, so we will write variable here, S and A. S and A. So like this we make a table. Now how to map the table? Let's see. What we are getting from 0 or this state for terminal A, where we are going at I3. Where we are going at I3, and from terminal B, from I0, where we are going at I4. So we will write here S3 and S4, because from I0 for terminal A, where we are going I3, so we write here S3. From I0 terminal B, where we are going I4, so we will write here S4. Okay. And from I0, when we are going at I1, then S is completed, so augmented grammar, so we will write here 1. We will write here 1. And for 0 with A terminal, where we are going with I2, so we will write here 2. Similar way, for I0 to S, where we are going at I1, so we will write here 1. And from I0 for A variable, where we are going at I2, so we will write here 2. Now because at 1 it is completed S, because we have grammar S and augmented grammar we have supposing it, and after that it is completed I1, so it is accepted, so we will write 1 at 1. What we will write? We will write accept. What we will write? Accept. It means we reach to the final destination. It means a dollar, because it means that when we reach to a particular string at dollar symbol, then it means a string is accepted. So at 1 it is completed, so we will write here 1 accept. After that, now move to the second state. So from second state for A, this is second state I2. For A, where we are going, A terminal we are going at I3, and for B terminal where we are going I4. So again what we will write? S3 and S4. Right? From I2 state for A, where we are going at I3, and for B terminal where we are going I4, so S3 S4. Right? And from second state for variable a, where we are reaching at I5. So at a, what we will write here? 5. Fine. From I2 state, for a variable where we are reaching at I5, so we'll write here 5. After that, we come to the third state, I3. From I3, for a terminal where we are going, same I3, and for B where we are going, I4. So same thing, S3, S4. Fine. Now move to the fourth state, I4. I4. I4, what happened at I4? We are completing the third. What we are completing? We are completing the third production of the grammar. Whatever grammar is given to us, our third production is completed on the I4. So this is reduction. So this is reduction because this is the third production at I4. So I4 means fourth state and the reduction of the third production. So we will write R3, R3, R3. Okay. In the similar way, at fifth state, I5 means fifth state. What we are, this is the first production. So it is completed here. So it means R1. So we will write R1, R1, R1. And one thing is left as S3, third state. What we are completing from third state for a variable where we are going at I6. So we will write here 6. From third state, I3, for a variable where we are going I6. So we will write here 6. And now sixth state, what production is completed? Second production is completed. So at sixth state, we will write R2, R2, R2. So in that way, we can make LR0 parsing table with the help of grammar by 3 rules. First, we calculate augmented grammar, then we calculate closure, then we calculate DFA with Goto function. After that, we can make a table with that DFA.